I just want to cover some more things that I did not cover in the last video. Mainly selling and buying players. So there's a really cool tip that I wish I knew earlier, is that 69 players are actually really good to buy. And the reason why is that if you level them up, they give you a decent XP boost. So let's see, I don't have another one to show you because I've used them all, but if you go to rank up, and then you can have another one, and then it gives you more than double the XP. And I like these 69 players because they're not very expensive, and so that's why I have a watch list of these guys, and I just buy whoever's the cheapest and just mass buy them. I used to buy them when they were like in the 20s. Now I think other people are doing them. Let's see, another thing that is good to know is selling players. Sometimes if you go here, so you go to exchange, go to coins, and then sometimes you get a better price here, because if you sell them in the market, you get a commission, and so you lose money. So anything like 88 plus, that gives you around 820, 830, you might as well just exchange it. You get more money that way. And here's an example of 92. Like this guy, I could sell it on the market, but I'll take a loss. Here I get 45 and there's no fee. So yeah, definitely something I want to exchange. The ones I primarily sell are anything below 85, I think it is. See how you only get 100 coins, 100,000 coins for these guys? So around this price range, you can just sell them all on the market. 86 or 850. These, it's kind of close. Yeah, I think you can go either way. Honestly, not really sure. I guess you could just sell them on the market instead of exchange, and you would get more. Yeah, I try to see who's selling for a lot. Like I sold a Palmer that was going for like 700. Let's see what else. And I think that's the main thing I wanted to show. Also your overall, sometimes if you have like subs, it lowers your overall. So like here, if I go to auto build, see how it's like 109 overall, but if I remove some of these subs, it should bring my overall up to 110. See? And so that's one way to get your overall up, which is pretty useful against attack mode. This one right here, since I will, help you level up, or sorry, not level up, I'll help you play well, because your overall is going to help you get better odds against your opponent. Let's see. Yeah, so I think that's mainly what I didn't cover in the last video. If you haven't watched it, definitely recommend it. Oh, tournament mode, this is kind of cool. Every time you play a certain level for the first time, you get quite a bit of tournament points. And you definitely want to do this because you can get a pretty good card from this. And one thing I didn't know is if you're going to lose a match, you just pause and quit it, and it'll count as if nothing happened. And so you have unlimited chances. So that's a good thing for tournament mode. So if you go to tournament, you go to exchanges, tournament. I think this is probably the best one to get right here. This 102 to 105. Untradeable. I think there's another card in there that's probably pretty good. Yeah, that one's the main thing to get. Yeah, so I think that's it in this video. Any questions, feel free to let me know. And if you haven't already watched my last video, I go through how to get lots of gems and a whole list of different topics.